Hello friends, this question is from test series number 1. Topic name is network theory, subject name is network theory, topic name is two-port network. It's a 2 marks problem. Question says that in the network given below, find out the jet parameters Z11 and Z21. Two jet parameters you need to calculate. You need to calculate the value of Z11 and Z21. So in case of jet parameter, the relationship between voltage and current is as follows. My V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2 and V2 is equal to Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. Now if you want to calculate the value of Z11, so your Z11 will be V1 by I1 keeping I2 0. So if the I2 is 0, then we only have a one loop in the input loop, that is, so just write out the equation here. In the input loop, the equation will be E1 is equal to 2I1 plus 4I1 minus 10 E1, right? So we will have 11 E1 is equal to 6I1, or we will have E1 by I1 as 6 by 11, and which is basically V1, because in my question the V1 is nothing but E1, right? So our Z11 will be E1 by I1, that is 6 by 11 ohms. Next is calculate the Z21. So Z21 is what? Z21 is defined as V2 by I1 keeping I2 0. Okay, so I2 is still 0. I2 is still 0, but it's this time you need to calculate the V2 by I2. So what is the V2? V2 is nothing but E2, right? So V2 is the voltage across this 4 ohm and 10 E1. But remember that the voltage across resistor is what? The current into resistor, but the current can only be I1, because we need Z21 is defined as V2 by I1 keeping I2 0, right? So the current polarities are plus minus, minus plus, they are subtractive. So your E2 will be 4I1 minus 10 E1, right? So V2 is 4I1 minus 10 E1. From this relation I can find out that E1 is basically nothing but 6 by 11 I1. So use this relation here. So you will have V2 is equal to E2 is equal to 4I1 minus 10 E1, which is 4I1 minus 60 by 11 I1, which is 44 minus 60 by 11 I1. So E2 by I1 is basically equal to minus 16 by 11 ohms. So my Z21 is defined as minus 16 by 11 ohm. So my Z11 is defined Z11 is actually turns out as 6 by 11 ohm, and Z21 is minus 16 by 11 ohm. Thank you.